Welcome to week 38 of 52 of Stock Roulette, where I invest around $50 a week randomly into one stock. I just load this week's top 10 pick into pickrandom.com and give her a spin. And then we talk about why it made my list for that week. The point of this game is to see if we can beat the average 8 to 10% annual return. And most of the companies that I look at are in the future thinking and businesses within the innovation space and in many of these spaces. We are deep into September now, a month known to suffer in the markets, but it has been pretty mixed. Innovation and growth are still lagging behind a little bit, but most are still holding above the supports, and many have already had some shorts covering after some good PR releases. So August unemployment was not very good, but the retail sales did rise 0.7%, despite the Delta still ravaging the world, and the CPI wasn't horrible, but it was better than the last couple months. Now we just have to find a way to make up with China, and we're way on track. If you guys want to see the last 37 weeks of my stock picks and some quick DD videos, I'll add a card above for those. All right, let's give it a spin for week 38. CLSK. This week's pick is CleanSpark Energy, ticker CLSK. CleanSpark creates advanced software, controls, and microgrid solutions to help solve the modern energy challenges. Their software is uniquely capable of enabling microgrids to be scaled to the user's specific needs and can be widely implemented across residential, commercial, industrial, military, agriculture, and more. The global market for microgrids is rapidly expanding and expected to rise about 28% at compound annual growth rate from 2020 to 2029, nearing a $40 billion industry. Let's start with the power grid. It is any combination of power sources, power users, wires to connect them, and some sort of a control system to operate it all. Where a microgrid just means that it's small, freestanding grid, and it can consist of several buildings or even one small building. CleanSpark provides advanced energy software and control technology that allows energy users to obtain resiliency and economic optimization. Also, cryptocurrency's been in the talk a lot for being very energy hungry, and the industry is capable of driving a rapid ROI on energy investments. So they added a mission to the company to mine Bitcoin with a responsible way, utilizing carbon-free energy at the lowest possible cost. CleanSpark is going to utilize their own patented microgrid technology to manage energy at their facilities, paving the way for energy cost savings and reducing fossil fuels. So CleanSpark's cryptocurrency mining operation runs on over 90% carbon neutral energy, sourced primarily from nuclear, hydroelectric, solar, and other renewables. And they're working on towards 100% net carbon neutrality. Next, CleanSpark's mPulse is their distributed energy resource management software system. It's capable of managing a wide array of energy assets, including solar, wind, generators, building management, and energy storage solutions to deliver lowest cost energy with the highest level of resilience. The energy software includes the capability of forecasting energy consumptions, weather data utilizations with its patented forecasting solution. They offer 3 different solutions: Lite, Pro, and Max. So with the software, you can access the historical data and analyze the system's performance, check for energy operational summary to the fullest extent to what and where energy was used and going to, and get daily performance reports for the system and energy for the revenue view. Next, the CleanSpark previously acquired GridFabric. It's a leading provider of OpenADR implementation and certification. So when implementing OpenADR software, it unlocks the participation in load shifting programs and a way to monitor your load flexibility. So OpenADR is basically the most mature and typical go-to option for demand response load shifting programs within the energy space. They have 2 product lines: the Plaid, which is for clients, and the Canvas, which is for servers. And together they facilitate communication between power-consuming, internet-connected products and utilities to load aggregators. Also, they can provide a system utilizing a variety of operating modes to meet a wide range of single or multi-generator applications, low to medium voltage, paralleling switchgears. Basically, they also sell generators. And lastly, the Smart Microgrid, known as their Mvoult, a single solution for resilient, reliable, and cost-effective energy for residential properties of all sizes. It's designed for small energy storage with a controller and a mobile app management option as well. Okay, cool. So they're an energy company. We all know that green energy is the future, and we focus heavily upon it these days, especially with the current administration that we have, as well as global warming. CleanSpark's trading around the $13 a share level, and it's off from its 52-week highs of almost $43. And it too has been a victim in the small cap sell-off this year and has some great potential, especially if it keeps growing at the rate that they expect. And there are not a lot of analysts that are covering the stock, but the few that there are, rating it a buy and a strong buy with no sell ratings. And they give it a year-long price target as low as $35 a share and as high as $50 a share. Again, it's currently trading around the $12, $13 range, so there's definitely some upside potential. Basically a patience game, and hopefully they have a few good quarters to give them some rally. All right, let's go make a quick purchase. Okay. CleanSpark Energy currently trading for $12.53. Okay, we're gonna buy 5 shares for $62.65. There you go, we're all set. All right, guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before you buy any stocks. And like in all my videos, I wear my custom designer dress shirts. That's my primary business. High-end, American-made designer men's dress shirts. I'll link it below if you guys want to check it out. Lastly, if you don't trade yet, Robinhood and Webull are free, they're easy to set up, and they're safe. I recommend Webull, because you can trade before the market is open, and you can trade after the market closes. And if you throw $100 in there with my link below, we both get 2 free stocks. And I hope you guys found some value in this video. Do me a favor and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell, because I've got more videos to come. Thanks.